Hi everybody, Brandon Byrne again. This card show. This is part 2, everybody. I'm gonna show you guys some more. I'm gonna show you guys more cars here. Some right here. Okay, so so check out this one. So I'm just gonna check out the free cars for tonight. This is the last round here. Like this one's like this is like a hot rod. It's a hot rod, whatever it is, but it's like a hot rod. This one's like a Ford Mustang GT. This is like, it goes like really fast. I think it's a Fastback GT. I think it's that one. That's a pretty good car. That's a good car. This is like, I think it's a Chevy. Oh, it's a Chevy Camaro. This is a Chevy Camaro. This is like a really nice one. So, let's see. So, one of these cars are like really nice, and they're really nice. They're like some. So, classic cars are really super nice, and they're like amazing. So, the cars are like amazing. So, I think that's all I'm gonna say for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Put a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up. See you guys probably tomorrow. Good night, everybody.